Hey guys, Rich here, flipping for a living. It's a beautiful Thursday afternoon in Saskatoon, and I just wanted to show you what $40 can get you at a yard sale these days. I know it's not really the weekend yet, but found a couple yard sales to go to today, and I went to one, spent $41 there, and it's going to end up being $200 in profit. So I kind of want to use this as a bit of a motivational to get your juices flowing for the weekend, get you encouraged to get out there and look and see what you can find for $40 that can get you $200 profit for about an hour's worth of work. Starting with, I'm sitting right here in one of a set of 4 nice outdoor chairs, kind of that vinyl material on them. Anyways, they're in really nice shape. This couple is moving into a condo and didn't need them anymore, so I got the 4 of them for $16. This is actually a $50 flip for me. I already have somebody coming to pick them up. People are more than happy to pay $12.50 a piece for these type of chairs. They sell for about $24 to $29 at Walmart or Yisk or Home Depot, wherever you go shop for this kind of stuff. Right off the hop, $35, $36 profit. No shipping, no packing, all profit. That's the first $16 out of the $41 we spent, and now I'll show you the rest and the other $200 that we're going to have in sales from one yard sale. So I'll show you the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other things I bought, again for a grand total of $41 that we're going to get $250 for when we sell them all, and these will move pretty quick. I mean, we've already got our money back out of the outdoor chairs. We've already made $9. Everything else is profit that I'm going to show you. Doesn't matter when it sells, it's just literally money in the bank. And it's $200 in the bank is what it is. So pretty excited about that. So here are the other items real quick. This is the big one. Onkyo, I think that's how you say it. It appears to be a pretty high-end brand. It's a subwoofer. This thing's in excellent shape. Don't ask me why a 75-year-old couple had this. Maybe they were involved in some punk rock band, or maybe something they were in. I don't know. They sold me this for $5, you guys, and I should be able to flip this thing locally for $75. They're going for seeing as high as $189 Canadian on eBay, but it's a pretty heavy item. I'll take the first $75 I can get for that and make $70 profit and be thrilled about it. I got a Sony IC recorder, B500. So this guy was also in the little $1 bin, and this is a pretty low-end one. I'm probably going to top out about $15 for that. It's kind of funny that I'm making 1,500% on something and I'm complaining, but I was hoping it may be worth $40 or $50. Of course, I didn't look it up for $1. I just grabbed it and ran, and it's working. I already tested it. It's got the manual. There's a lot of these for sale, but mine will be up at the top of the list because it's got a manual. So $15 off $1. Never going to complain about that, even though I just kind of did. I got this Roku remote. Okay, so it's a Roku remote and streaming stick, also in this guy's dollar bin. Everything's there. Paid $1 for that. Should get about $20 for that. So never going to complain. Easy to ship. $1 turns into a $20 bill. Gotta love that. Next up is this little Polo, brand new. The guy never used it. It's like a watch and a compass on a lanyard. So it's Polo. Polo ain't the brand it used to be back in the 80s. Everybody wanted Polo. You know, this one's no big deal. Again, it's going to be about another $20 bill. It certainly helps that it's brand new still, never used. Packaging is a little bit damaged, but it's still what I would consider a new item. Easy to ship again. So another $20 essentially profit off a $1 item. iPhone 6. This is a genuine iPhone 6 leather case. This is brand new. Had the $50 price tag on it. I took that off. These are selling anywhere from $19 to $50 actually on eBay. People are paying. So I'm going to be more than happy to make $25, $35 off this guy off a $1 investment. Oh, sorry. Now I'm lying to you. Just want to backtrack. The next 3 items I'm going to show you, they were $5 a piece. So this guy is $5. I'm going to sell for about $25. You know, after doing this for 20 years, I'm getting greedy. And I want to make more. I want to make $50 off a $5 purchase. So I'm complaining when I have to spend $5 to make a $20 profit, but I shouldn't be. So anyways, that's going to net me 20 bucks. This is going to net me 20 maybe more, maybe up to $30 profit for that. And last but not least, haven't seen very many of these over the years, maybe I haven't even really looked, but this is a genuine Swatch from 1986. As you can see, it still has the case. It is brand new. Not sure what I'm gonna get for this. Having trouble finding the exact one, but this one is clearly in fantastic shape. It's got the original instructions and box. It even has where it was purchased in June, on June 4th, 1986. Don't know if you can see that. Original purchase date. Somewhere in Switzerland, it looks like. Somebody actually went to Switzerland and bought a Swatch, which is pretty cool. This one, again, I really like it. Tempted to keep it, but I'm not much of a watch guy, so I'll be more than happy to take the, I'm gonna guess at least $50 to $60. Very educated guess, of course. $50 to $60 for this $5 purchase. A great one-stop garage sale day on a Thursday, turning $41 into $250. Get out there, you guys, hustle. It's a numbers game. Obviously not all sales work out this way. I could have just as easily went to this sale and not bought anything, but it worked into my schedule. I went, and it's a $200 profit day out of one sale. I mean, I wish they were all like that. So thanks for coming to the channel, you guys, and watching this quick video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Make sure and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out, because there are going to be a lot of them over the next several months. So thanks again, guys. I hope you all have a great day and love what you do. Guys, I'm back. A little bonus coverage. I went to that second sale that I mentioned earlier, that I had 2 sales to go to on Thursday, and I cleaned up, you guys. I'm not even sure what my total is. We'll figure it out real quick, but I spent $54 on everything I'm going to show you right now, and we'll add it up after. 2 sales, man. It's going to be like a $500 day in profit, I'm sure. First off, this set of Easton vibration reduction system batting gloves, still new in the bag. $2 for those. We should be able to get 15, maybe more, maybe 20. 4 Brother ink cartridges. They were $1 each. Now they are expired. They're past their date of recommendation, but I got the 4 for $3, and I'm going to bundle those together, and we should get 20 or 25 bucks. So that's, let's say 20 on the conservative side, so that gets $35. I got these 2 anime movies, $3 a piece, and these are easily going to sell for $15 each. Anything anime, manga, very popular. Street Fighter, obviously very popular. So there's another $30, and I'm already losing track. 30, 50, 65. Blue Ant true hands-free voice-controlled car speakerphone Bluetooth speaker. This thing's brand new. The box is crushed a little bit on the bottom, but it is brand new still. They wanted $5 for that. I was happy to pay it because I should be able to easily get $30 up to $50 for that. But let's go on the low end. Let's go 30. Is that 95? 30, 60, 80, 95. So yes, $95. This is kind of funny. Emerson digital drumsticks. They are also still new. Still got a little bit of leftover wrapping paper on there. Somebody really enjoyed this birthday present. Anyways, these aren't selling very often, but then when they do sell, they get about 30 bucks for them. So there's another $30, gets us up to $125. These are like in really nice shape. Turtle Beach PX3 Air Force headset for gaming. Obviously, this is another one that's going to sell for about $25. I paid $2 for these, and once again, I've lost track. What did I say? 125? Let's just go with that. 125 plus 25, 150. Optex. It's a pretty decent brand. It's not the best of the best, but it's a decent brand. DPT 175. This is also a new, unused tripod. We should be able to get about 30 for that. That was also $5, I believe. Can't see it on there, but $5. So that gets us up to 180. Oh my God, I'm so terrible. 180, I think. I'm gonna save the best for last, right? Who doesn't like to do that? 180. Next up, some outdated stereo equipment. A nice Yamaha RX450 receiver in really nice shape, has the remote, $5 for that, and those are going for about 80. So if I was paying attention at all, which I'm not, 260 I think we're up to, roughly. 260 for what I showed you so far. This is an old Toronto Maple Leafs picture. That is some of the boys from the late 90s, early 2000s. Don't know if they won any Stanley Cups back then. I doubt it. Toronto just lost to Boston, heartbreaker last night after trying to come back down 3-1. Anyways, this is a nice picture frame in Canada. I should have no problem selling this locally for, I'm going to say, another $40. So that puts us right around that $300 mark. I'm kind of not really paying attention. So yeah, $300 at that second yard sale off of basically 50 bucks. And we're not done yet. Last but not least, you guys, all of this for $10. Game Boy, like broken Game Boy Color. No. Game Boy Color grape version. Easy 20 bucks for that. 2 Game Boy SPs. Yeah. Did I already say it? 10 bucks for all this Game Boy stuff I'm showing you now. These people had PS3 and Xbox 360 games, $5 a piece right across the board. Some of them aren't even worth 2 bucks. But yet they had all this stuff in the same box, and we bundled it all together. They gave me everything for 10 bucks. So that guy we're gonna get 24, so that puts us up to 320. These are easily gonna be 80 bucks for the pair. Easily $40 a piece. Some of them are going for $60, $70. So we're gonna go very conservative. 80 for the pair. That puts us at 400. 3 crappy dookie games. Be lucky to get 5 bucks for them. Nothing great about those. Won't even count them. Stay we're at 400 still. And nice Pokemon Blue Game Boy. 25 bucks for that. So say 425 all together. Oh my gosh. It's not even done yet, you guys. This one blew my mind. So we're at like 425 off of 50 bucks. This right here, I knew it was cool. I had no idea how cool it was, but this is an actual usable headset. Modern Warfare 2 night vision headset. 10 bucks, and I didn't know anything about them. I hesitated a little bit, but I'm like, they're too cool to not actually get those for $10. And these are easily going for a 100 Canadian dollar bill. So we are well over $500 off of this roughly $50 purchase. So we had $40 from earlier in the day and $50, not even $100 spent, and we are going to get $700 back minimum for this stuff because we are being conservative. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I wish that I could yard sale 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year, and I can't in Canada. So it's happening. I will be moving to one of your nice warm cities someday soon, so I can come and compete and thrift right alongside you all throughout the winter months here in central Canada from November to March, because it sucks when I can't. We're gonna net $500 profit off of a couple hours work on a Thursday. Man, I love yard sailing. So anyways, for the second time, if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified of all my new videos. Thanks a lot for coming to the channel. Please share with your friends. Hope you guys all have a great day and love what you do.